Good morning from Germany. If you watched our last video, you know we've actually already been in Germany. Well, let's just say we've now moved on from Munich and are ready to explore Berlin. We found one of the most unique ways we could possibly find to explore the city, and we're ready to soak in as much history and top sites as we can in the next 24 hours. After making our way away from the weed whackers, we've made it to our first stop of the day, which is Trabi-world. We're gonna be taking one of these bad boys out around the streets of Berlin for a sightseeing tour. How will it go? Well, we'll see. Our car started making some noises.
Definitely different driving through the busy streets of Berlin.
Now, most of the trabis themselves are manuals, meaning stick shifts, meaning we don't know how to drive those. Lucky for us, they've got an electronic e-car trabi. That's gonna be for us. They've also got some simulators over here if you need to practice your stick shift skills before you take it out on the road. Are you ready to drive?
I'm ready, if I fit.
You fit back there?
I am. I don't think you can peel me out of here. I'm like a sardine.
It's cool. Alright.
Is that my spot?
That's your spot.
Oh god, I barely fit.
Yeah.
I'm 5'2". You guys know I'm short.
And look at Deborah's knees hit the front.
That's crazy.
I explained you the car before. Yeah. If you drive with this or without this, it's equal. Let's do it later.
Oh, do it later. Okay.
Yeah. So a trabi driver also go with the legs at first. Yeah.
Okay.
Only two pedals.
Yep.
Gas and brake. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. You start the car here. Just one lung, like this. Then you see here the green light.
Okay.
This is my orientation. I look only for the car with the lights.
Okay.
He's doing sound check.
You ready to go, Ty?
Yep.
You ready?
Here I go. Just press the gas and
Here we go.
Really good. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, we took a little break where he told us all about the history and different parts of the wall, and it's honestly just kind of crazy taking it all in, but now we're getting back in the car.
Okay, let's go.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. It's pretty fun. It's definitely different driving through the busy streets of Berlin.
How you doing?
I am doing good.
In the roundabout, straight ahead.
Oh god.
Geradeaus, weiter fahren, zweiter Ausfahrt, ganz okay. So watch out, we go straight ahead, straight ahead.
Our car started making some noises.
But it's not smoking.
It's not smoking like the other ones yet.
You was in
Alright, we had such a fun time on that tour. It was a little chaotic at times, a little hot at times, but it was so much fun getting to see the city in such a unique way. And we were definitely the center of attention a lot of the time.
Everyone stared at us the whole time I was driving.
It was so much fun though, would highly recommend. We still have about half of our 24 hours here in Berlin, so we're going to go check out some of the sites, see them up close, and do a bit more exploring before we leave tomorrow.
And get a cold drink. It's pretty hot today.
And eat.
Yeah.
It's like 2 p.m. and we haven't eaten yet. Even though we saw a lot of the main sites in Berlin on our trabi tour, there were a few that we really wanted to see up close and personal. After making stops at Checkpoint Charlie, the Topography of Terror, the East Side Gallery, and the Memorial to the Murdered Jews of Europe, the rest of the day was really pretty sombering, and we spent the rest of the day really just taking it all in. Now, we're ending this trip right where we started, back on the Autobahn.
165, 170.
We're going 100! Woo!
Alright, we're gonna go slower. Yeah.
I don't think you can open it, Tyler. That's like the guide car.
What is?
Well, it says follow me.
Oh, well, I think this is the one we're gonna follow today.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey.
Here's my chauffeurs. On this tour we have a reporter, but he's on the end, and my colleague told me, I know which is the reporter, but you are not a reporter, you have all this equipment. And the reporter is an official reporter and has no equipment. Really? Yeah.
So, and then,
I think it's